So here I have the HP printer. Now we have to enter this printer into the setup mode. So go to the printer display panel to go and press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button unless the power button starts to flash. Release it. Now after some time the power light will stay on and the blue wireless light will start to flash. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. Now go to your Chromebook, go to the Play Store. So type in HP Smart App, open the app, click install. Once we download the HP Smart App, we have to download the HP Print Service plugin. So look for that app, HP Print Service plugin, install. Open HP Smart App, click on add your first printer. So because it's a new printer, so click get started. Use Wi-Fi setup. Click continue. OK. Allow HP Smart App to access the location of your device. So allow the location, agree. Once it is done, go back. It says here HP DeskJet 2700 series. Connect to Wi-Fi. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi network and click on the continue button. You see the flashing information button, just click it once so that it starts the connection setup. And if your screen is stuck on this preparing the printer or in any option here, you can simply close the app and restart the app again. Click add your first printer and go to the second option, add a printer that's already set up. Connected printing services, continue. Select the country you want to use this printer, continue. You can activate the HP services, or if you don't want, you can click do not activate HP Plus. Decline HP offer. If you want, you can just sign in and get this offer as you get discount on the instant ink. Now it will register your printer with the HP. Sign in and create a HP account. Remind me later. Select auto update for your printer. Click it, automatically it will show up here. Now printer scan. For example, I'm going to scan. So place a page on the scanner and then click on the scan button. So this way we can add the printer in your Chromebook and then we can use it for scanning. And in the same way you can do the printing, document or any page you want to print. For example, this page, click on the print icon. On the next page you will see all the details of your printer. Confirm it and just wait for the print. So here we can see it has printed. Thanks for watching.